on the existing protocol, I wish to welcome everybody here present, especially our invited guest from the Ministry of Education, Mrs. Adebango. You are most welcome here. The distinguished guests on the high table, my students, both in the junior and senior secondary school, invited schools here present, you are welcome to this edition of the International Day of Education program, organized by the old students of Coca Senior Secondary School alumni, the Pioneer Set. As we go into the program, God will be here to guide and make the program successful. Whatever we learn, whatever message that the program stands out to portray to you, please, I want you all to go back and, let it be in continuation. Don't just say you are here for a program. You are here for a program, notwithstanding, but it's for you to learn one thing or the other. And I know we are children and we want to continue learning. So, on this note, I wish us divine and good celebration of the event. Thank you very much.
Put your hands together once again. Can you also keep rolling, keep going with that? Keep it rolling, keep rolling.